When I'm not prying the teeth of Schrodinger's cat out of my hand, I like to answer questions about music. And a great question was asked by a friend of mine, One Will Fall, which was, can you play Nutshell by Alice in Chains? Well, my original answer was no, but I am a big fan of Alice in Chains, and I decided to put in some time and definitely some harsh language and basically change that from a no to a sort of. Now the whole song is just 4 chords, hangs out most of the time on a C9 chord, but it has a really challenging strumming pattern, and for me that took an awful lot of thought and effort to get right. So let's see how it goes at this point. Now it's an amazing song. It definitely forces you to listen to the strumming pattern and keep it straight all the way through. Hope you found this interesting.